So we're trying to sex a rabbit. What are we looking for?
I think they said if it's a slit or it's just a straight slit, it's a boy. If it's a plus sign, it's a girl. I may have to refer back to the Google machine again, because this is one she wanted to keep. Because if it's a female, then so we may need to go get a picture reference. I meant to look that up before you got here this morning, but you know, who's prepared for things? Not this guy.
So if you're looking to make a sustainable homestead and start getting into animals, one of the things most people overlook is rabbits. And that's I know I overlooked it. I thought chickens were pretty much the bottom, and chickens will actually eat the byproducts of the rabbits once they're processed. So rabbits are the bottom or the start of your meat food chain if you want to go there. And processing rabbits is fairly simple, straightforward. Jason here is processing one rabbit as we speak. And you're getting probably what, 2 to 5 pounds? Averaging 3 to 4 probably?
Yeah, on average.
So you don't get a lot of meat, but you do get a meat that's very sustainable. It's a lean meat. It's packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals. And the cost factor of a rabbit, if you have the land to put like a little rabbit tractor or hut together where you can move them all the time, and you have, you know, the grass, the greenage, the foliage of what they require, the mix of greens, you can do this for almost no cost, past the cost of the rabbit and the initial investment of the equipment. So what we try to get people to understand, and what we're trying to do ourselves and get other homesteaders to understand, is we need to be able to survive without going to the feed store, without getting bags of feed is the goal of, could you do this long term in the event something happened and your supply chain is cut off for a while. And so that's the premise of everything we try to do, is build up the chain, whether it's in the garden, in the field, or with the animals.